dancing on the Hello? Yes? Oh, what the heck? What do you want, Gohan? You got a friend in me. You got okay, fine. There you go, homie. But you're miles and you're miles from your nice warm bed. You just remember what your old pal said, 'cause you got a friend. You got a friend in me.
Yo, I'm gonna be low riding so bad. Actually, that's such a bad idea. Oh my god. Well, that side for sure. Kind of second guessing myself, guys. Should have already rolled these fenders by now. Also, we should go get some air. Look at this. Yeah, right, dude. All of these boxes have my stock wheels in them. So we're gonna put the Pilot Super Sports back onto them. One more wheel and 2 more boxes, but we should be able to make everything fit. And if anything, I can put something in the ski box as well. Gonna leave Gohan here for the day. Let's head over to Ape. Hey, not bad. There's actually no rubbing at all. Maybe all of the rubber on the outer part of the wall of the tire actually rubbed off. Just a little bit. Actually, that's pretty bad. All right, quick stop at 7-Eleven, grab some processed goods. So bad, but oh so good. And also, I surprised the guys inside because I'm trying to be more cultured. So, I learned how to say thank you in Punjab. Sukriya. I said it to them and they're like, do you speak Punjab? And then they were asking me if the green car outside was mine because they couldn't tell what car it was from the symbol in the back because I have the KMR logo. And then I got this energy drink. Hemp energy. I've never actually tried this before. Go for green, homies. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, 'cause I never go. For now, probably just go back to stock Toyotas. Guys, birds are chirping. You can hear them. Today is such a gorgeous day. Oh, I can't wait for spring. It's like literally here. So we're back at Ape, and these guys are continuing on, well, first of all, before they put the entire front cradle back into the GT, they're just replacing the clutch. And I gotta get my wheels fixed and this re-stemmed because I can't even take this off. It's grimed on there. Aftermarket, no good. So it looks like Michael's already got the front cradle positioned in the engine bay. These guys make light work of this stuff.
I took 3 off already.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much, man. Alright, status update. So Ape's closing now. We will have to do the official startup for tomorrow. All that needs to happen now really is for everything to be buttoned up, all the bolts to be secured, and we can do our first official startup. Super excited, but let's go home. Guys, I quickly decided to stop by the shop to finish up the edit actually, because right now it's rush hour and I'd rather not be chilling in traffic for like 40 to 50 minutes. That's a waste of time. So literally just 1 minute down the road from Ape. And we came to visit this guy. What's up? What are you doing? Why do you always look so guilty? What have you done this time? And we got a special guest here. Mr. turban, Sonny. He got one of his vehicles here. Oh my God, what are you doing?
That one's a secret. Shh.
All right, man. What's the plan? What's the plan?
I'm going to be installing the windshield washer reservoir motor. The thing pooped out on me. Well, when I bought it, it was pooped out, but yeah, so that's pretty much just going in. It's gonna be a really simple install. I mean, but it's necessary, especially with like all the snow and stuff melting.
Yeah, for sure.
Like,
for what it is, man, this thing is so clean. So this is a Corolla, but what year again?
96.
This is a 96 Corolla. And what's crazy, like he's actually gonna start building this. So if you guys want, you can follow him on his YouTube channel because that's what he has the tripod for. He's gonna start documenting his build series, and it's on me to push my friends and the people around my vicinity to make use of the internet. Because honestly, especially in the car scene, the easiest way to get paid for building your car is YouTube vlogging. But before you can monetize your channel, you gotta build up the 10,000 hours of watch time. So start now. There's that saying, the earliest time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. So start. Last time this kid vlogged with his camera, it was like 4K. The file, which was like 6 minutes, was 20 gigs. So this is a powerful camera, man.
Canon R5, man, it's the new wave.
Yeah, top of the top. This is the price of a supercharger.
It costs more than all my cars combined.
Invest in yourself before you invest in your cars, which inevitably these guys become part of YouTube. So, oh, and also what's crazy is the front bumper that Sonny bought for this thing is actually the same brand that made the front bumper for my XB. And it actually looks super similar too, so.
Yakuza style.
Yeah, man. It's by Yakuza, and it's the one with like the 2 fog lights that are basically duplicated. That's gonna look sick. So you got coils, gonna be taking the wrap off pretty soon. I mean,
Right.
looks like it's already coming off there, but here's the original color. You already choose a color?
Yeah, blue, like a dark blue, whatever rattle. I had to go to Canadian Tire, look up a bunch of rattle cans, and we'll see what color I like the most.
Wait,
But
you're gonna
it's-
rattle can this?
Yeah, it's gonna be rattle can.
the
It's
hell?
gonna be a super DIY, super backyard, super budget project.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm actually excited to see how this turns out. It depends how driven this kid is.
I really want to see this thing change. I hate the green. No offense.
Offense taken. This ain't my green. Dude, honestly, take advantage of me. You have me in your circle of friends, so
Yeah, man.
might as well.
Big inspiration. This guy's just chock full of information, man. He's super smart, super humble, and a super great guy, man.
This guy? Stealing content right now, okay?
It just kind of shoots on one jet, very unpowerful like.
This kid only got one side of his windshield washer working.
And it's barely working. It's not powerful enough. Yeah.
Might be helpful.
And nobody got to know.
This isn't even connected, dude.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. It's connected. That's one problem down.
Easiest tutorial ever. Check out Sonny's new rig.
It's a small rig, but it's a rig. You just got a new rig license. It's actually not that bad for what it is. It was like what, $300, so it's not like bad at all.
I mean, basically, this is like an exoskeleton that has multiple screw attachment placeholder things.
Like there's so many different types of attachments and everything. You personalize this to like anything you want.
So high tech.
So high tech.
Wow.
Costs more than me cars.
Yes, exactly. It cost more than my Skyline when I first got it.
Yeah, try it out.
You try it.
Bro, that's
I'm holding a
expensive if I
camera.
drop it, bro.
Okay.
Oh, 2 cameras.
Like I did it to my brother and stuff, right?
Whoa. Yeah, it feels like it.
Yeah,
You can be
it's so much
super stable with it.
Yeah, and then you can also go like this too. So it's like
Oh.
like this, then you know you
What?
got like
That's
that
what
extra
that's for.
stabilization.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Crazy.
yeah. It's just like a rocket ship and shit.
Time to test it out.
Yeah, those the Asian tourists when they take pictures, like follow
Yeah.
the IG for T_. Thank you.
Schizophrenia.
Bro, that's so 2014.
Schizophrenia. Go Jan. Go Jan. We're doing, dude. Long time no see, buddy. Hi. Oh, thanks for me. Yo, earlier today, or I guess on our walk this morning, we met this 4-month-old husky, and it was the cutest thing. Down the playmate. Hi, dude. What's up, homie?
You got a friend in me.
This guy's only 4 months.
When the road gets
Wow, you're wet.
overhead, where you're miles and you're miles from
That's
your
awesome.
nice warm
Do you take him
bed.
to the off-leash?
You just remember what your old pal said, 'cause of you got a friend in me.
What's funny is they actually had a really good dynamic, and they probably would have played all day. Go on. Come here, homie. What? You already got one? Okay. Okay. So, on go the stock wheels for now, until I get rubbers for the new AGs. For the rears, we might actually finally be part of the 300 club. I'm gonna just end this vlog for now. So, guys, subscribe. Or I'm gonna tell your mom that you watch porn. Just joshing, I know you do. As always, appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to be here with me and my dog. And of course, all the positive love and support from you guys. It really motivates me to just keep at it. So thank you. For the rest of the evening, I think I'm just gonna, well, first of all, I'll probably put the stock wheels back on so that maybe on the weekend, I'll have the opportunity to take my Super out. But there's also still so much gravel on the roads. And Calgary doesn't like to clean up the streets until like mid-June. So we'll see. And quite possibly, please help me with the YouTube algorithm and drop some likes. Maybe if you have like multiple YouTube accounts, watch this video on all of them. I think it was my fault. In the past, I wasn't all that consistent, and I should have been. But now I'm like basically back to square one, trying to build an authentic support, which is actually working. And some of my more recent videos have actually gotten their reach. At the end of the day, I think it really is the tutorials and the DIYs that have people coming back to them. And I think videos that are more so helpful than vlog-ish can definitely do just that. Here's a little tip for you budding YouTubers. The key is video view retention. So how long can you keep a particular person watching that specific video? And sometimes if the intro doesn't capture their attention within the first 5 to 10 seconds, then they'll skip a little bit into the beginning and then into the middle, and then finally just conclude it. Like that, your video view retention average drops. And actually, I'm guilty of adding minutes of useless content in these vlogs. So if there's something that you guys don't want to see, let me know. Be honest with yourself on this channel, more so for me. As always, I appreciate you guys for you, and never change yourself for anyone, unless it's for the better. Appreciate you guys, okay? Drop some likes, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash.